Look at it.
Holy smoke. Yeah, that's why it's closed.
Yeah, because that's where it's at right there. We drove through that.
I don't
Well,
remember.
not with the
No.
water. It was when we first came up here. Yep. So yeah, that's the reason why it was like that. But it kind of like dips down and goes back up. But that is a bridge. Was. We're walking all the way down.
Well, I don't know. There's some funky smell. Funky smell. That looks like a trail. Oh, that is the four-wheeler trail.
No, that's full-wheel trail. Dang. But yeah.
And just think, all that rain that we're getting is going to make it even higher. We ain't got to go all the way down if you don't want to.
Right here in this loop. That's going to be hard to walk back up.
Nah.
I could take you to lunch.
You know, the kids will be like, come on, Dad. We want to go see the water.
No, not. Look, it's going underneath that and over the top of it.
Yeah. Look at that swirl.
In the middle of it?
Right here on the end. From the water just going over and under.
Right there, right?
Yeah, I'd hate to get stuck in that.
Oh, that's spinning. Ooh, ooh. That's third.
Thinking about taking a canoe down there. Or kayak.
That'd be like this.
Water rapids. Come on.
Hey.
Say hi.
Hi.
So what is your adventure today?
How to take over the road.
As Zachary said, we're taking over the world.